Investing in 2024 presents both opportunities and challenges in a constantly changing landscape. The potential for growth is vast but unpredictable. An example of this is Bitcoin, which is shown to be highly volatile. While it shows the potential for high returns, it also highlights the volatility of modern investing. With this in mind, it's important to be aware of the risks and make informed decisions. But it's not just cryptocurrencies that are reshaping the investment horizon. The green energy sector, for example, is booming, with the International Energy Agency, IEA, reporting that renewable power capacity is set to expand by 50% between 2019 and 2024. This surge is driven by environmental concerns and technological advancements, making green energy a compelling area for investors looking to make a positive impact while seeking returns. As we explore the investment opportunities available today, it's crucial to remember the significance of strategic planning and diversification. The dot-com bubble burst in the early 2000s serves as a reminder of the dangers of hype exceeding reality. It highlights the need for a thoughtful, well-researched investment approach that can withstand market volatility. As we venture into the investment landscape of 2024, let's approach it with a clear understanding of the risks and opportunities ahead. Whether you're an experienced investor or new to the world of investments, the key to success in this dynamic environment is a combination of courage, prudence, and a constant desire to learn and adapt. Over the last decade, the investment landscape has been nothing short of a roller coaster. Take, for example, the tech sector's explosive growth. Companies like Amazon and Apple have not only redefined retail and technology, but also investment strategies worldwide. Amazon stock, for instance, soared from around $180 in early 2011 to over $3,000 by mid-2020, according to NASDAQ data. This growth trajectory showcases the immense potential of investing in companies at the forefront of technological innovation. Then there's the green revolution. A decade ago, investing in renewable energy was seen as a niche, almost speculative move. Fast forward to today, and it's a different story. Bloomberg reports that global investments in clean energy have consistently risen, reaching over $500 billion in 2020 alone. This shift reflects a broader societal move towards sustainability, driven by both consumer demand and technological advancements. These examples underline a fundamental truth about investing. Trends come and go, but the opportunities for those willing to research and adapt are endless. Whether it's the tech boom of the early 2010s or the green wave of the late 2020s, understanding the forces shaping our world is key to unlocking investment success. Here are 5 investments that can get you rich in 2024. 1. Tech innovations. In today's world, artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML, are not just buzzwords, but the driving force behind a technological revolution that is shaping our future. According to a report by PwC, AI could contribute up to $15.7 trillion to the global economy by 2030, with $6.6 trillion likely from increased productivity and $9.1 trillion from consumption side effects. This incredible potential is already being realized in various sectors, from healthcare to finance, making AI and ML investments a lucrative opportunity for forward-thinking investors. Take, for example, the healthcare industry, where AI is being used to predict patient outcomes, personalize treatment plans, and even assist in complex surgeries. A vivid real-life scenario is the use of AI in diagnosing diseases such as cancer more accurately and swiftly than ever before. Google Health's DeepMind AI, for instance, made headlines for outperforming human radiologists in breast cancer detection, as reported in a study published in Nature in 2020. This breakthrough not only showcases the potential for AI to save lives, but also highlights the investment opportunities in companies developing such transformative technologies. Moreover, AI and ML are at the forefront of the autonomous vehicle industry, which is poised to revolutionize transportation. Companies like Tesla and Waymo are leading the charge, leveraging AI to make self-driving cars a reality. Tesla's autopilot and full self-driving (FSD) features, powered by sophisticated AI algorithms, are prime examples of how tech innovations are creating new investment avenues in the automotive sector. In essence, the AI and ML landscape is brimming with opportunities that extend far beyond the traditional tech sector, touching every aspect of our lives. For investors, the key to capitalizing on this wave of innovation lies in identifying companies and startups that are not just using AI and ML, but are at the cutting edge of these technologies, driving forward advancements that have the potential to redefine industries and generate significant economic value. 2. Sustainable and green investments. Sustainable and green investments have surged to the forefront of the global economy, driven by a growing recognition of the urgent need to combat climate change and preserve our planet for future generations. The renewable energy sector, in particular, has seen remarkable growth. According to the International Energy Agency, IEA, renewable energy capacity is set to increase by 50% between 2019 and 2024, with solar power leading the charge. This growth is not just a testament to technological advancements, but also to the increasing viability of green investments. A compelling example of this trend is the dramatic rise of solar energy. The cost of solar photovoltaic (PV) panels has plummeted by over 80% since 2010, making solar energy one of the most cost-effective sources of new electricity in many parts of the world. This cost reduction has spurred a solar boom, with countries like the United States, China, and India leading the way in solar installations. In 2020 alone, the United States installed a record 19 gigawatt direct current of solar capacity, according to the Solar Energy Industries Association, SEIA, enough to power over 3.5 million American homes. Beyond the numbers, real-life success stories abound. Consider the case of Ørsted, a Danish energy company that transformed from one of Europe's most coal-intensive energy companies to a global leader in offshore wind power. Ørsted's strategic shift to renewable energy not only significantly reduced its carbon footprint, but also proved to be a lucrative business move, with the company's market value soaring as it tapped into the growing demand for green energy. These examples underscore the dual appeal of sustainable and green investments. They offer the potential for robust financial returns, while also contributing to the critical global effort to mitigate climate change. As more investors recognize the value of aligning their portfolios with their environmental values, the momentum behind sustainable and green investments is only set to increase, making it a key area of opportunity in 2024 and beyond. 3. Healthcare and biotechnology. The healthcare and biotechnology sectors are at the forefront of some of the most groundbreaking advancements in science and medicine, offering unprecedented investment opportunities. A prime example of this innovation is the rapid development and deployment of mRNA vaccines in response to the COVID-19 pandemic. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention (CDC), these vaccines, developed by companies like Pfizer, BioNTech, and Moderna, have been administered to hundreds of millions of people worldwide, showcasing the potential for biotech firms to respond swiftly to global health crises with cutting-edge solutions. Another area of significant growth within healthcare and biotechnology is personalized medicine, particularly in the treatment of cancer. The global market for personalized medicine is expected to reach $3.18 trillion by 2025, according to a report by Grandview Research. This growth is exemplified by the success of targeted therapies and immunotherapies that tailor treatment to the individual patient's genetic makeup, significantly improving outcomes. For instance, CAR T-cell therapy, a type of immunotherapy that modifies a patient's T cells to attack cancer cells, has shown remarkable success rates in treating certain types of leukemia, as reported by the National Cancer Institute. These advancements not only represent a leap forward in patient care, but also highlight the lucrative investment opportunities within the healthcare and biotechnology sectors. As these industries continue to innovate and expand, investors have the chance to contribute to the advancement of medical science while also achieving substantial returns. The success stories of mRNA vaccines and personalized cancer treatments are just the beginning, with the future promising even more revolutionary breakthroughs in healthcare and biotechnology. 4. Real estate. The real estate sector has always been a cornerstone of investment portfolios, but the landscape is evolving rapidly, influenced by demographic shifts, technological advancements, and changing consumer preferences. One of the most compelling trends is the rise of residential properties in emerging markets, where urbanization and economic growth are driving demand. For instance, India's real estate market is expected to reach $1 trillion by 2030, up from $120 billion in 2017, according to the India Brand Equity Foundation, IBEF. This growth is fueled by a burgeoning middle class, increased urbanization, and supportive government policies aimed at housing for all. A vivid example of this trend is the Smart Cities mission, launched by the Indian government, aiming to create 100 smart cities across the country. These cities are designed to be sustainable and citizen-friendly, integrating technology into urban planning to improve living conditions and attract investment. Another significant trend is the increasing interest in sustainable and green buildings, reflecting a global shift towards environmental responsibility. This shift is not just ethical but also economical, as green buildings often lead to lower operating costs and higher asset values. These examples highlight the dynamic nature of the real estate sector, offering investors opportunities not just for financial returns, but also for contributing to sustainable development and improved urban living. As emerging markets continue to grow and sustainability becomes increasingly important, the real estate sector promises to be an exciting area for investment in 2024 and beyond. 5. Financial sector innovations. The financial sector is undergoing a transformation, driven by innovations in fintech that are reshaping how consumers and businesses manage, invest, and borrow money. One of the most significant trends is the rise of mobile banking, which has democratized access to financial services worldwide. According to a report by the World Bank, 69% of adults globally, that's 3.8 billion people, now have a bank account, up from just 51% in 2011. This leap is largely thanks to mobile technology, which has made financial services accessible in remote areas where traditional banking infrastructure is scarce. Peer-to-peer, P2P, lending platforms exemplify this innovation, offering an alternative to traditional banking and credit systems. These platforms, such as Lending Club in the United States, have facilitated billions of dollars in loans by connecting borrowers directly with investors, bypassing traditional financial intermediaries. The global P2P lending market was valued at $67.93 billion in 2019 and is projected to reach $558.91 billion by 2027, according to a study by Allied Market Research. Another groundbreaking development is the emergence of blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies, which promise to revolutionize the financial landscape by offering secure, decentralized, and transparent transactions. Bitcoin, the first and most well-known cryptocurrency, has seen its value skyrocket, with a market capitalization that briefly exceeded $1 trillion in 2021, according to CoinMarketCap. These examples highlight the dynamic and rapidly evolving nature of the financial sector, driven by technological innovation. For investors and consumers alike, these changes offer new opportunities for growth, efficiency, and security, marking a significant shift from traditional financial models to a more inclusive and accessible digital economy. Now, if you want to learn how to achieve financial success, then watch this video next. And if you made it to this point of the video, please like and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.